When my client applied for disability benefits, he alleged that he could not work because of mental health issues, low back pain, shoulder pain, tinnitus or ringing in the ears, and dizzy spells. But when we got to the hearing, he testified that really that the shoulder pain and the back pain, the tinnitus, the dizzy spells wouldn't really keep him from working. They were annoyances, but he could work through those. Was this a good idea? Should he have basically taken out a number of the conditions he claimed led him to be disabled? Or was this really a smart move so that the judge would just focus on the mental health issues? Hi, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney, and I want to give you the answer to that question and kind of my thoughts on it. And of course, the big picture is it's going to depend on the particular case, but oftentimes it can be useful to basically say to the judge, look, I have a number of medical issues, but I'm willing to fight through those, and I can still work. That really can enhance your credibility, and it can show the judge that you really do want to work and that you have fought through a number of medical issues that might otherwise stop you from doing certain things. And again, you can use those other conditions to say, well, because I'm dizzy, I can't work on at unprotected heights or around hazardous equipment, but generally it's not going to stop me from doing the type of work I've done. So I think in some ways, telling a judge that, yes, I can work through some of these problems, even though I listed them on my application, says that you are credible, that you want to work, you don't want to be here, but that you do have one major problem that would stop you from working. In my client's case, it was a mental health issue that led to anger control problems, concentration issues, medication side effects. And so by eliminating these other things, I think the judge found him a lot more believable, and it's going to lead to a favorable decision. So again, not always something you want to do, because there may be these other conditions that are maybe not quite as significant as the main one, but they can create some pretty significant problems. But on the other hand, if you go in there and say, everything is bothering me, the ringing in my ears means I can't do anything at all, that's going to suggest that maybe you're not quite as credible, or that you have a very, very low threshold for pain or discomfort. It's going to make the judge take you a little bit less seriously. This is a tactical type of thing that you want to discuss with your attorney prior to your hearing. But one of the things that you should do as an exercise is get your attorney to pull a copy of your initial application for benefits and your reconsideration appeal, and look at the conditions you listed on that. Sometimes it may not have been you. Maybe the person at Social Security helped you write it, or an attorney or a paralegal helped you fill this out. But make a list of the things you were saying are disabling. And if there's anything in there that is improved, or that you can honestly say, I could work through that, it may be something as a tactical move to basically say to the judge, you know, let's not even consider that because it's not a serious enough problem. And again, that's telling the judge that A, you're believable, and B, that there are some other situations, other medical issues that are a lot more serious that would support a finding of disability. So, hope you found this useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, like it on Facebook. If you haven't already done so already, please download my free Secrets to Winning Your Disability Case, which you can do here. The link's on the screen here. If I can be of assistance to you in any way, please reach out to me directly. Jonathan Ginsberg here, wishing you the best. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.